Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all good. Today video is about what type of flooring is best for a living room. First of all, please subscribe my channel for more beautiful tips. When it comes to finding the best type of flooring for your living room, you are faced with a nearly endless array of colors, textures and materials. Finding the best type of flooring will of course depend on the style of your room and interiors, the makeup of your family and the look and feel you want to achieve. Flooring is one of the most important parts of your living room ideas. Covering the largest surface area in the room, living room flooring ideas are extremely influential in the atmosphere of the space. So whether you're looking for the perfect carpet for a classic living room or are in search of a hard-wearing material to complement your open-plan living room ideas, we've rounded up some of the best types of flooring for your living room. 1. Choose solid oak flooring for a classic look. Timelessly beautiful, wooden flooring is one of the most desirable features in a traditional living room due to its authentic, natural appearance, its durability and warmth underfoot. 2. Embrace elegance with geometric wood flooring. If you're looking to make a statement with your flooring, perhaps searching for the perfect pairing to your formal living room ideas, then an intricately laid parquet is a great choice. In this beautiful living room designed by architectural and interior design company, Point 3 Design, marquetry and parquet has been combined in a geometric pattern to create an eye-catching living room floor that is a work of art in its own right. We love the warmth it brings to the space with its rich variety of colors and textures. 3. Embrace high-end comfort with a wool carpet. Carpet ideas are the classic choice for living room design, and there are plenty of living room carpet ideas from which to choose. If you're looking for a plush, springy and completely natural floor covering, then 100% wool is the way to go. It is commonly known that wool is a highly effective insulator. After all, it is designed to keep sheep warm through even the coldest winters, so it will certainly help to reduce a home's heat loss and lower energy bills. However, it can also help keep your living room cooler in warmer weather. 4. Consider tiles for the living room. Tiles might feel like an unusual choice for a living room, but they can bring a burst of color and texture to both modern and traditional living room ideas. Furthermore, they are also an extremely durable choice of floor covering. Make them work in a living room by teaming with a cozy Berber rug, warming metallics and leather furnishings for an inviting, rustic ambience. 5. Stain-resistant carpet for a family living room. When it comes to family living room ideas, durability is key. The best living room flooring for this space will be able to withstand potential scratches, scuffs and spills while still retaining a flawless aesthetic. Stain-resistant carpet is the best living room flooring for a family living room. You can even opt for lighter colors. Often, neutral, lighter colored carpets are seen as a challenge to keep clean, particularly for younger families or those with pets. 6. Create a traditional look with an antique rug. If you are gravitating towards solid flooring for your living room, then a rug is a must. Not only does a rug bring comfort underfoot and zone your space, but it will also define your living room's color scheme. Therefore, it is key you know how to choose a rug. Thankfully, there are lots of living room rug ideas to inspire you. 2. 7. Sisal carpets for a country living room. Derived from the leaf fiber of the Agave cisalana plant, sisal, when woven, becomes an extremely hard-wearing, comfortable and sustainable flooring material. Like seagrass, it doesn't require any artificial treatment to preserve its rich color or woven texture, making it the perfect natural addition to your home. Pair with neutral furnishings like a linen sofa and wood grain cabinetry and coffee table and accessories. Rattan is a great choice for a laid-back, eco-friendly scheme. 8. Durable and cost-effective wood-effect porcelain tiles. While hardwood flooring is beautiful, it is expensive, can be prone to scratches, and it's a poor companion to underfloor heating. Thankfully, you can mimic its warm and welcoming appearance with wood-effect porcelain tiles. Wood-effect porcelain flooring is a more practical choice to solid wood flooring, and the prints and tones available certainly do mimic the look of real wood, says Isabel Fernandez, director at specialist high-quality natural stone company Cornstone. 9. Natural stone for an open-plan living room. If your living room opens out into your kitchen, then you need a flooring that feels luxurious and characterful in the living room but can withstand the vigor of the kitchen environment. In spaces such as these, stone flooring is the perfect solution. Add warmth to your living room by pairing stone flooring with underfloor heating. Natural stone tiles tend to be thicker, which will take a little longer to heat up, but means it will retain the temperature for longer thanks to its natural density and thermal conductivity. 10. Reclaimed wood for a period home. If your style is on the more traditional side of things, then you can't go wrong with a reclaimed floor. Boasting a rich patina that is impossible to replicate artificially, opting for a reclaimed wood flooring is also a great way to save energy and resources. Reclaimed wooden flooring has the added benefit of being previously exposed to a range of temperatures. This means it will have already expanded and contracted to its full potential, so it is less likely to warp or split. 11. Choose a blonde wooden flooring for a Scandi-inspired living room. When it comes to the best flooring for Scandinavian living rooms, then blonde wood flooring is a great choice. Inspired by the vastly popular Nordic trend, paler finishes for wooden floors are becoming increasingly popular in homes of all ages and styles. Complementing a more minimalist design scheme, gray and light-toned floors add a modern flair to a home.